Hi guys.
We're gonna do individual eyelashes today, if you can tell.
On me.
Yes, on her. The adhesive glue to stick it on. We already did this eye. Show them your eye.
Yes, get into it.
If you can tell. Wait, turn to the side again so they can tell. Okay.
It still has glue on it, but it's okay. It's gonna, we're gonna get it under control. Still looks good.
Now we're gonna do the other eye, so bear with us.
Y'all should follow me. I don't have any videos yet, but soon. And my name is me. It's my email right now. I'm gonna change it, but it's leah@gmail.com.
You want to tell them your Instagram?
Oh yeah, of course. Might as well tell y'all my whole social media. My Instagram is A with 3 underscores, LIYA with 3 H's. My Snapchat is Aaliyah. My Snapchat is Aaliyah.Thomas. What else? That's all I use.
Okay, now we're gonna start. Stop blinking. Oh my god.
Yeah, this is my first time really. Oh my gosh. This is my first time really. Yeah, eyelashes done, so y'all bear with me. Please. Struggle. I don't see how y'all do it. But
oh yeah, we don't use tweezers because they were being complicated.
And the thing is that I wear glasses, so you're probably not gonna be able to see them like that anyways. What do y'all think? Add one more right here? I think so.
Wait, where at?
I think like right here. Okay, just got one more time.
I should do everybody eyelashes.
Heat her up. Heat her up. Heat her up. Heat her up. Heat her up.
Bruh. And it's like you need
I'm going one more time. You gotta worry your mans nowadays.
If he answered, I would use that part in the video.
He's not answering. It's gonna make me cry. Do I need to pull up on you?
Decline.
And this is the final look, guys.
Yep, I'll see y'all in the next video.
And don't forget to follow me on YouTube at menameisleah@gmail.com. Yes, I'm using her to promote myself, okay? So go do it and let me know what y'all want to see on my channel. You feel me? And follow me on Instagram at
Like what?
Yeah, go ahead.
And then don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. No, about me. And
comment, like, share, subscribe on her channel. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You know what I'm trying to say, on my channel, but on her channel because it's her video. Okay.
Yeah, see y'all later.